So I had my IMS treatments yesterday, the dry needling, and feeling a little bit better today. I had a full night's sleep. Um, it's always pretty rough the 24 hours right after, I find. Uh, I don't know, some people say it's about the toxins being released and the recovery. So I am looking forward to getting back in the studio. It's a stammer, sorry. Um, It's been a rough week. Last weekend, went to a tournament, had a great time, fought two stick, um, did way better than I thought I was going to. I held my own, which was good. Feet were moving well. I engaged, and as long as I was fighting my fight, I had control. But as soon as I stopped moving or waited, I would get I would get overwhelmed just by the fact I, you know, forget what I was doing with my left hand. Um, couldn't keep my couldn't keep bringing my hands home, as it were. So anyway, this weekend won't be in the studio again because we're heading off to Sea Lion War over in I guess it's in Surrey. So looking forward to that. We're day tripping. Um, so staying with friends, but heading out to the site probably on both days for a while. Uh, Next week, hopefully, back in the studio, and then the weekend out, and then that weekend as well, we'll be out of town because we're heading out to uh, Coronet. So anyway, fighter practices as usual. Looking forward to those, and hopefully this treatment lasts as long as the last one did. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care, guys.